What's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to restore headlights from this to this. Here's a little comparison. The left side isn't restored and see how cloggy that was. The right side was restored and see how glossy that was. Even work for these 22 years old factory headlights, year one definitely get better results of even better than a brand new one. To do this you need some water, 600 grit and 1500 grit sandpapers and a headlight restorer. Anyway guys, let's get started by adding some water for the headlight. Now get the 600 grit sandpaper and sand it for the circular motion. Add some water and keep doing until you barely remove the oxides. Now switch for the 1500 grit and repeat the same process until it gets clear. Now let it dry for a while. And I saw a little clock that still exists, so I'm gonna sand again with the 1500 one. Now rinse it off and let it to dry. It's pretty dry and no gloss available at all, and it's time to apply our headlight restorer. In this case, I'm going to use the Flamingo Headlight Restorer product in the description below. Shake it well before you use it. Apply a little lemon and it's the buff time. Now you can see it's getting brighter. And check this out, this is like a brand new one. I want to show you a little comparison with the fog lights that not even wired yet. It's brand new and when compared with this, the results are so impressive. And this is a real demonstration of how cloggy our headlights before. And that's how to do it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and thumbs up. Be consider to be the subscribe and next time we're gonna restore our tail lights too. Have a good day guys. Take care.